Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have an exciting topic to discuss. It's all about Gateio, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the world, and guess what? They are celebrating their 10th anniversary. In this video I will take a closer look at the features and offering of Gateio and also explore their journey over the past decade. The platform is best for beginners and experienced traders, providing a seamless trading experience for users of all levels. You can navigate through the various sections such as including spot trading, future tradings, and margin trading is simple and straightforward, enabling users to execute trades with ease. So the link to this website is available in the video description. I have already made videos on Gateio, how you can create an account on Gateio, how you can complete KYC, how you can buy and sell Bitcoin. You can watch that videos. And Gateio offers a dedicated mobile app for both iOS and Android OSs. The app allows users to access their accounts, execute trades, and stay updated with market movements on the go. So if you are interested in earning passive income on your cryptocurrencies, Gateio offers crypto lending services, and also by staking your tokens, you can participate in network mechanism and earn staking rewards. So if you want a more comprehensive understanding, I have covered these services in more details in our previous videos. Be sure to check them out. But before we wrap up, let's talk about something special, Gateio 10th anniversary. Gateio has been a major player in the crypto industry for a decade now, and they're celebrating this milestone with a series of exciting events and promotions. They have planned giveaways, rewards, and exclusive discounts on trading fees as a way to express their gratitude to the community. Here you can see every decade, every day for crypto. Over the past 10 years, Gateio has been wonderful because of you. Thank you for joining us on the journey. On the 10th anniversary, you can see upcoming events like Crypto Crush Championship, P2P Special Prize, Gate Wealth, GMMC, Gateio Moments. You can win Lamborghini, Crypto Battle Arena, Dead Pocket Airdrop. You can click on anyone and you can participate. Here you can see 10th anniversary video. Here are the team wishes. You can share your best moments, wishes or blessings with hashtag Gateio1010 to win Gateio 10th anniversary exclusive merch. Here are the event rules. You can read the rules here. For example, when posting letters, please follow the moments posting rules. If a user posts multiple letters, only the most liked one counts. One user can win up to one reward. Here you can read all the rules. For participant, you can enter your UID here, participant name, phone number, and country and remarks, and you can submit. So here is the race to the top. Win a Lamborghini. Event period is 20 May 2023 to 20th June 2023. And here you can see the rewards in total unlimited. Future cumulative trading volume is more than 5 billion. And for Porsche, trading volume is 2 billion. And for Tesla Model Y, trading volume more than 1 billion. And here you can see all the rules and details of the products. Here are the unlimited rewards you can win. You can trade here and you can win rewards. So here is the article on Gateio anniversary. The link is available in the video description. You can also check it out. Here you can see Gateio has prepared a lineup of engaging activities promising a unique experience and bountiful rewards. For example, Gateio Moments, Win Lamborghini, Crypto World Cup, Dead Pocket Airdrop, Exclusive P2P Prize Pool, Gateio Wealth Management, Global Market Maker Competition. So Gateio 10th anniversary is not just about celebration but also a reflection of their journey achievements and the future ahead. They continue to evolve, innovate and improve their services to meet the ever-changing needs of their users. So whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out in the world of cryptocurrencies, Gateio provides a range of services and features to suit your trading preferences. So that's it for this video, and please remember to check out our previous videos on Gateio for more in-depth coverage. And don't forget to participate in the celebration of Gateio 10th anniversary. Until next time, happy trading.